Hello everybody, welcome back to PL Tech Talk, where we share the latest tips, tricks and how-to guides to make your tech work better for you. Today we're diving into a super handy iPhone trick that most people don't even know exists. The back tap. Imagine just tapping the back of your phone to quickly open either the camera or even take a screenshot. Now that sounds pretty cool. So let me show you how to set it up and make it work just for you. Now, apologies about the sound. I have got a new mic, but I've left the cable at home. Rookie error. Anyway, iPhone back tap. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's how to set up back tap on your iPhone. First, head over to Settings and then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From here, look for Touch and tap on that. Now you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and look for back tap. So back tap allows you to assign actions to either a double tap or a triple tap on the back of your phone. So for this example, let's set it up to open the camera with a double tap and take a screenshot with the triple tap. So to do that, just tap into double tap, scroll through the options, and you can see there's a lot of different options here. We're going to select the camera. That's now been chosen with the blue tick, and we can see if we go back that double tap has been assigned to the camera. So let's go back and do the same for the triple tap. So again, tap on triple tap, find what you want to assign to it. We want to assign screenshot, select that, blue tick to say that that's been chosen, back, and we can see now that the triple tap has been selected to screenshot, double tap has been selected to camera. Now let's go and test these out. So there you go, that's how easy it is to set up the back tap feature, but the proof, as always, is in the testing, and we're going to give it a try live right now. So if you remember, the double tap was the camera, and there we go, quick double tap on the back of my phone opens up the camera, and we're going to try the triple tap, which was screen capture. And just like that, a triple tap on the back of my phone takes a screen capture. That is how easy and that is how good that this little tip and trick is. And ever since I've known about it, I use it all the time. It's perfect for if you're in a rush and you want to grab your phone out to take a picture of something and you double tap on the back, camera app opens, you can shoot away, no problem. You might be scrolling the internet and see something, you've got your phone in your hand, bang, 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 you've taken a screenshot, and it is super, super easy. And there you have it. The back tap, honestly, is such an underrated feature. But once you've got it all set up, it can save you a ton of time and make using your iPhone super easy and super simple. So if you found this tip helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to PL Tech Talk for more quick tech tips and guides just like this one. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.